iPhone photos missing on Windows 11. Before you start deleting folders, reinstalling apps, or worrying that your pictures are gone forever, there's a safer way to check what's happening. In this guide, I'll show you how to verify that your photos are still in iCloud, check your Windows sync settings, and safely refresh the connection without risking your originals. First, let's confirm that the photos actually exist in iCloud. Open your web browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple account and open Photos. If you can see the missing photos here, that's good news. It means your pictures are safely stored in iCloud, and the issue is most likely with the Windows sync process rather than the photos themselves. Take a moment to browse through a few albums and confirm that the images you're looking for are present. Next, open iCloud for Windows. One of the most common causes of missing photos is being signed into the wrong Apple account. Verify that the account displayed in iCloud for Windows matches the same account you used on iCloud.com and on your iPhone. If multiple family members use the same computer, this step is especially important. Now check whether iCloud Photos is enabled. Inside iCloud for Windows, look for the Photos option and make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. If it was disabled, enable it and allow the application a few minutes to begin syncing. Depending on the size of your photo library and your internet connection, the initial sync may take some time. After confirming the setting, open File Explorer. Look in the navigation pane for iCloud Photos. If you don't see it there, check inside the Pictures folder for an iCloud Photos folder. This is where synced photos and videos from iCloud normally appear on Windows. Open the folder and give Windows a moment to load the contents. You may notice different status icons next to files. Some photos are stored only in the cloud and haven't been downloaded to your PC yet. These files may show a cloud icon. When you open one, Windows downloads it from iCloud before displaying it. Other files may already be stored locally and can open immediately. Understanding these icons helps explain why some photos appear unavailable even though they still exist in your iCloud library. If your photos are present but thumbnails are broken, images won't open, or syncing seems stuck, Apple recommends a safe resync process. In iCloud for Windows, turn off iCloud Photos and shared albums. Apply the changes and allow Windows to complete the process. You may notice local copies being removed from the PC. This is expected. The important thing to remember is that your original photos remain stored safely in iCloud. Once the process is complete, return to the settings and turn iCloud Photos back on. Apply the changes again and allow the application to reconnect and resync your library. Depending on the size of your collection, this may take several minutes or longer. During this time, avoid repeatedly changing settings, as that can interrupt the synchronization process. Another useful step is checking for updates. Open the Microsoft Store and go to the Library or Updates section. Look for updates to iCloud for Windows and install any available version. Running the latest release can fix known syncing issues and improve compatibility with Windows 11. After updating, restart your computer to ensure all changes are properly applied. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable. Since iCloud Photos relies on cloud synchronization, interruptions in connectivity can delay downloads and prevent new photos from appearing. If possible, use a reliable Wi-Fi connection and keep the computer powered on while the sync completes. Let's quickly recap the troubleshooting process. First, verify that the photos exist on iCloud.com. Second, Confirm that you're signed into the correct Apple account in iCloud for Windows. Third, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. Fourth, check the iCloud Photos folder in File Explorer. Fifth, understand that cloud-only files may need to download before they can be opened. Sixth, perform Apple's Safe Resync method if photos display incorrectly. And finally, update iCloud for Windows and restart your PC. By following these steps, you can safely troubleshoot missing iPhone photos on Windows 11 without risking your original files. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get your photo library syncing correctly again.